As we age, it becomes easy to believe the myth that strength is reserved for the young, but the reality is that the body retains an incredible ability to adapt and grow stronger, even after 50. What makes the biggest difference is not complicated machines or intense gym sessions, but simple, consistent exercises that target the areas we need most. These movements are designed to build functional strength, which means being able to move freely, support your body weight, carry groceries without struggle, climb stairs without fatigue, and protect yourself from falls or injuries. The magic of these exercises lies in how approachable they are, yet how much impact they create when practiced regularly. Functional strength is about training the muscles that support your daily life. For older adults, this often means focusing on the legs, core, and upper body. Squats, for example, strengthen the thighs and glutes, giving you more stability and power for everyday movements. Light push-ups or wall presses build the chest and arms, which helps you maintain independence for activities like lifting or pushing. Core exercises such as gentle planks or seated twists help protect the spine and improve posture, which not only reduces pain but also makes you feel more confident and energetic. These exercises do not need to be intense or exhausting. In fact, when done consistently at a pace your body is comfortable with, they steadily rebuild strength and resilience without overloading the joints. The key is repetition over perfection. Doing a handful of squats or push-ups every day will deliver more lasting results than doing a heavy workout once in a while. The body thrives on consistency, and when you keep showing up, even with small efforts, you create lasting change. Over time, muscles grow stronger, bones become denser, and balance improves, reducing the risk of falls, which are one of the biggest threats to independence as we age. Beyond the physical, these exercises also bring mental benefits. Moving the body releases endorphins, improves mood, sharpens focus, and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Every time you complete a set, no matter how small, you are proving to yourself that age is not a limit but an opportunity to thrive. The beauty of functional exercises is that they don't require equipment or special conditions. You can perform them at home in your living room or even while watching television. A few minutes of bodyweight training becomes a powerful investment in your future health. Over time, you'll notice the small victories stacking up. Tasks that once felt tiring will feel effortless. Walking longer distances won't leave you winded. Everyday chores won't seem like a burden but a natural part of life that you can handle with strength and ease. With every movement, you are giving yourself not only physical power, but also a renewed sense of independence and youthfulness that radiates into every part of your day. Nutrition becomes one of the most powerful tools in maintaining strength, energy, and vitality after 50. While exercise helps build and preserve muscle, it cannot work effectively without the right fuel. The body depends on balanced nutrition to recover, repair, and keep every system functioning at its best. Lean proteins provide the building blocks for strong muscles. Colorful vegetables supply essential vitamins and minerals. Healthy fats support brain and joint health. And hydration ensures that every organ and cell works efficiently. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't need a complicated diet plan or to follow the latest fad. By making small, smart choices every day, you can experience a profound transformation in how you feel and perform. Protein plays a central role in keeping muscles strong. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, but protein slows that decline and gives the body what it needs to rebuild. Foods like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, eggs, and Greek yogurt are excellent choices that are easy to prepare and gentle on the stomach. Pairing protein with vegetables enhances the benefits even further, since vegetables provide fiber that aids digestion and antioxidants that fight inflammation. Filling your plate with a variety of colors ensures you're feeding your body a broad spectrum of nutrients, from leafy greens that strengthen bones to bright peppers and carrots that boost vision and immune function. Healthy fats are equally important. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and keep joints lubricated. This is vital for anyone who wants to stay mobile and active. Many older adults notice stiffness or discomfort in their joints, and the right fats can help ease that issue over time. Alongside fats, whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice deliver steady energy, preventing the crashes that often come from refined sugar or processed foods. Hydration is often overlooked but is just as critical. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, brain fog, and muscle cramps. Drinking enough water throughout the day improves energy, aids digestion, and supports clear skin. Adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries to water can make it more enjoyable and refreshing. Staying well hydrated also supports joint health, which directly ties into maintaining strength and mobility. When combined, these food choices not only fuel the body, but also fight against inflammation, a silent factor behind many age-related issues like joint pain, heart disease, and fatigue. Cutting back on processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive salt helps reduce the strain on the body, while whole, nutrient-dense meals restore balance. The result is not just better physical performance, but sharper mental clarity, improved mood, and a steady flow of energy that lasts from morning until night. By treating food as fuel and medicine, you give your body the resources it needs to remain strong, youthful, and resilient no matter your age. Consistency is the invisible thread that ties health, strength, and vitality together, especially after 50. It is not about doing everything perfectly or pushing yourself to extremes, but about showing up every day in small, steady ways that build momentum. Think of your health like a brick wall. Every workout, every balanced meal, every night of quality sleep is another brick laid in the foundation of your long-term strength. Miss a day, and the wall doesn't collapse. But when you keep stacking bricks over weeks, months, and years, you create something solid, unshakable, and strong enough to carry you through the challenges of aging. When most people struggle with fitness or health goals, it is rarely because the exercises are too difficult or the diet is too complex. The real challenge is consistency. Doing too much at once often leads to burnout, while steady, manageable steps lead to progress that lasts. 15 minutes of movement a day may not feel like much in the moment, but multiplied over weeks and months, it transforms how your body feels and functions. Choosing a healthier meal over a processed one may feel like a small decision, but repeated daily, it reshapes your energy levels, mood, and long-term health. Consistency creates habits, and habits are what carry you forward when motivation fades. There will be days when you don't feel like exercising or when stress makes it tempting to eat poorly. On those days, consistency acts as your safety net. Because you've built a rhythm, it feels natural to follow through, even if it's just a short walk, a glass of water, or a few minutes of stretching. These small acts, repeated with discipline, compound into powerful results that are visible over time. The human body is incredibly adaptable, but it responds best to regular signals. Muscles grow when they are challenged consistently. Bones strengthen when they are regularly placed under healthy stress. The heart and lungs become more efficient when given steady aerobic activity. Without consistency, the signals fade, but with it, the body has no choice but to improve. The impact of consistency goes beyond the physical. Mentally, it builds resilience and confidence. Each time you follow through on a commitment to yourself, no matter how small, you reinforce a belief that you are capable of change and growth. That belief becomes a powerful motivator, pushing you to keep going even when progress feels slow. The sense of discipline gained from consistency spills over into other parts of life, improving focus, patience, and emotional stability. The beauty of this principle is that it doesn't require dramatic effort. You don't need to change everything overnight or chase quick fixes. All it takes is a willingness to keep showing up day after day, choosing the better option, taking the next step, and trusting the process. Over time, consistency builds strength that not only keeps you healthy, but also makes you feel alive, energized, and in control of your future. Quality sleep, meaningful social connections, and mindful practices form the backbone of recovery, energy, and emotional well-being, especially as the body ages. Too often, people focus only on physical exercise or diet, but overlook these essential pillars that allow the body and mind to function at their best. Sleep is when the body repairs itself. Muscles recover, hormones regulate, and the brain processes memories and emotions. Without proper rest, even the best workouts and healthiest meals cannot provide their full benefits. A consistent sleep schedule, creating a calm environment, and avoiding stimulants late in the evening can dramatically improve sleep quality, leaving you refreshed, alert, and strong enough to tackle each day. Social connections also play a profound role in health. Humans are wired for connection, and isolation can take a serious toll on both mental and physical health. Studies have shown that people who maintain active social lives often live longer, have sharper minds, and enjoy more emotional balance. For those over 50, staying engaged with friends, family, or community groups provides a sense of belonging and purpose that directly translates into higher energy and motivation to take care of the body. Laughter, conversations, and shared experiences are not just enjoyable moments, they are fuel for emotional resilience and physical health. Each interaction reduces stress hormones, strengthens the immune system, and helps the heart. Mindfulness ties these practices together by teaching awareness of the present moment. Stress is one of the most damaging factors for health, leading to high blood pressure, poor sleep, and weight gain. Simple practices like breathing exercises, meditation, or even mindful walking can reduce the body's stress response and allow the nervous system to rest. This doesn't require hours of silence or complex routines. Just a few minutes a day of mindful focus can bring a sense of calm that spreads throughout the entire day. When the mind is calmer, decision-making improves, cravings decrease, and the ability to stay consistent with exercise and diet grows stronger. Together, these elements form a cycle of health that supports the body in ways exercise and nutrition alone cannot. Quality sleep enhances recovery and focus, which makes it easier to engage in social activities and maintain a positive mindset. Social connections, in turn, provide joy and encouragement, motivating you to stick with healthy habits. Mindfulness reduces stress and improves emotional balance, which helps you sleep better and enjoy interactions more fully. Each one supports the other, creating a loop of physical and mental wellness that keeps you feeling vibrant and youthful. Incorporating these practices into daily life doesn't require dramatic changes. Going to bed at the same time each night, setting aside time to talk to a friend, or spending a few minutes each morning in quiet reflection can reshape how you feel on the inside and how you show up in the world. These habits strengthen the mind and body from the inside out, keeping energy levels high, emotions balanced, and health resilient through every stage of life. A positive mindset is the force that transforms the way we approach aging, turning it from something to fear into something to embrace. After 50, many people are told that decline is inevitable. That energy will fade and strength will diminish, but those beliefs are more limiting than the natural process of aging itself. The mind sets the tone for the body, and when you choose to see aging as an opportunity rather than a setback, everything begins to shift. A strong mindset does not mean ignoring challenges or pretending difficulties do not exist. It means deciding to face each day with the belief that you are still capable of growth, strength, and joy. The power of perspective is immense. When you focus on what you can do instead of what you can't, motivation increases. Instead of thinking, "I'm too old for this," the mindset becomes, "I can adapt this to suit me." That simple shift opens up possibilities for exercise, nutrition, and lifestyle changes that might otherwise have been dismissed. The truth is that the body continues to respond to effort, no matter the age, but the mind has to give permission first. A positive outlook acts as fuel, encouraging you to stay consistent with healthy choices, to push a little further in exercise, and to trust that your efforts will pay off. Mindset also influences resilience. Life after 50 comes with its challenges, aches, changes in energy, or unexpected health concerns. But those with a strong and positive mental outlook are better able to adapt and overcome them. Instead of giving up when setbacks appear, they see them as temporary obstacles, not permanent walls. This resilience extends beyond physical health, supporting emotional well-being too. People with optimistic mindsets often report lower stress levels, better coping skills, and greater satisfaction with life. That satisfaction feeds into motivation, creating a cycle where positivity drives action, and action reinforces positivity. Gratitude is a key part of this. By appreciating what your body can still do rather than dwelling on limitations, you naturally foster a stronger connection to your health journey. Every step taken, every exercise completed, every healthy meal prepared becomes a celebration of strength and possibility. This builds confidence, and confidence creates momentum. Over time, this attitude doesn't just improve health outcomes but also enhances relationships, energy, and enjoyment of life. Surrounding yourself with positivity makes this mindset easier to maintain. Negative influences or constant complaints can drag energy down, while uplifting voices and encouraging communities strengthen resolve. Whether it's a workout group, a supportive friend, or simply choosing inspiring content to watch and read, the environment shapes how the mind perceives what's possible. Choosing positivity is not about ignoring reality, but about reinforcing the belief that aging can be filled with strength, purpose, and vitality. With this mindset, every challenge becomes an opportunity to grow stronger. Every choice becomes a chance to reinforce health and happiness. A positive outlook allows you to step into each day not with fear of what is being lost, but with excitement for what can still be gained, proving that life after 50 is not a decline, but a powerful new chapter.